My name is Angela, and I've been with Scentsy for 7 years. When I joined, it was just to get out of the house, make some extra money. I really did not have any high expectations at all. My husband worked very long hours, and I'll never forget, I was at leadership, and he called me and he said, "I can't do it anymore. I'm gonna quit my job." I knew how unhappy he was with that. So I just said, okay, if that's what you want to do, then we'll make it work. And I think that was the first time I realized that I'm contributing to my family. This isn't a hobby. This is helping our family. He took on a new position and he really enjoys it. It's been able to help us focus on our family values and our faith, and we're more involved with our kids. My husband is there for everything now, and to me, that's been the most rewarding thing.
I love it because now they can come to our school events more and our sports games, and we can do a lot more, and we have a lot of fun.
To watch her grow as a consultant, as a salesperson, and then now as a leader is pretty impressive. I'm pretty proud of her.
I never thought I could be a leader of any type, and now I lead a huge group of successful men and women, and to know that I may have had just a little teeny tiny part in that is very, very rewarding. It's also shown me that I have skills and some value that I never knew was there.
This opportunity was put in front of her for a reason, and I'm so proud of what she's done with Scentsy as a whole. So it's changed our whole family dynamic in more ways than she knows.